Today's practice is called grounding like a tree. So take a moment to sit up nice and tall. Close the eyes. And imagine that the places where the body touches the earth, the feet, the ankles, the legs, the sit bones, have strong roots grounding towards the earth. And you feel a pleasant heaviness connecting you in to Mother Earth. But your torso and upper body extends to the light, the sunlight, extending and growing strong. You are both grounded and deeply connected, and also searching and growing. Good. Go ahead and open your eyes. Start to make your way onto all fours. Inhale, arch the spine, look up. Exhale, round the back, drop the head. And then sink the hips to the heels, arms reaching out, and sway a little bit side to side as if your tree was swaying in the wind. Inhale, come back to all fours. Plant the left hand into the center. Inhale, sweep that right arm up. Feel that sensation of the left hand grounding and the right arm reaching, both connected and growing at the same time. On your next exhale, feed that arm down and through, touching the shoulder down, the side of the head, thread the needle. Side of the head touches, knees grounding, tailbone lifts. And then go ahead and make your way back up to all fours. Right hand has roots growing into the earth as that left arm sweeps you up. Deep inhale, exhale, feed it down and through. Knees rooted to the earth, sit bones lifting to the sky. And then make your way back to all fours. You can draw the knees slightly towards each other, extend the right leg back, the left arm forward. Feel the groundedness in that right hand, the left knee, as you reach with the right foot and the left fingertips. And then touch that left hand down and step that right foot through to a lunge. Shift the hips forward and go ahead and twist and turn to the right. Top arm comes up. And sweep that arm down and around. Plant the hand. and press back to your down dog. Touch the knees down, untuck the toes. Ground that right hand down, extend the left leg back. Reach with the right fingertips, reach with the left toes. Touch the hand down, step the right foot through, come to a deep low lunge, and you can twist to the side. Let that top hem sweep down and around. Step back to all fours. Make your way into down dog. And then walk, walk, walk. The feet to the hands. Standing forward fold. Inhale, rise up, arms reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Find a nice place where you can be centered with the eyes closed. And you can just feel the feet rooting into the earth, steady and strong. And then open the eyes and start to pick up that right foot. You can just hook the heel to the shin, come up to the ball of that foot for a tree pose, or place that foot anywhere onto the leg except for perhaps the knee. Inhale, let the branches reach up towards the light. Exhale, bring the palms together into reverse namaste. Inhale, your leaves grow, your tree moves. Let it sway a little bit. Exhale, reverse namaste. Inhale, arms reach. Your tree sways and grows. Exhale, release. Release the foot, release the hands, and come back to that grounded place, mountain pose. And then pick up the left foot, press it in to the leg for your tree pose, Vrikshasana. If you fall, you can just laugh. You can put a hand to the wall for steadiness. Inhale, the branches reach, leaves reach to the sun. Exhale, reverse namaste. Couple times. And then as you're ready, go ahead and release that. And one more time, come to mountain pose. Close the eyes. The tree is never stagnant. It's both rooted into a solid foundation of stability of strength, but always growing and searching and reaching, changing without resisting. Take the hands to the heart. Draw those qualities in. And then take the hands to Namaste. Thank you for practicing. Namaste.